హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, హలో, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఈరోజు నేను ఒక ఏఐ వీడియో డిజైన్ చేశాను. 1 మినిట్ వీడియో, ప్లీజ్ చూడండి.
Greetings, mortals. I am Zeus, king of the gods, and today I shall explain the mysteries of AI.
Is that a new kind of owl?
No. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's like, a brain made by humans.
A weapon, excellent. When do we conquer?
Not a weapon, Ares. It's more like, Hephaestus, help me out here.
Is it a new type of forge?
Oh, like a mechanical cupid. How romantic.
Not quite. It's more like, Hermes, you're quick. What do you think AI is?
Oh, it's like us, but created by mortals. A form of intelligence that can learn and make decisions.
Yes, finally. Thank you, Hermes.
So it's wisdom without a god? Fascinating.
And that, dear mortals, is how I, Zeus, taught the gods about AI.